You know what song it is? Fasinambu Y'dab. Santeni. Obego netinyelu mwokalo. Obia mkachi dege melo alo. Idela weji lege luwa ifanalo. Epic defone ale money no bulego konato. Sapange kiwe maluki fesaga. Street boss emete shop yonaba. Akwa padlock, abone monologue. The stars to down attack boys and cock. Umuotu, 042. One in town, man I ever dose.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sophia Patrick. Guys, in today's video you are gonna be watching me slay this 17k wig. Yeah, you heard me right, 17k wig. I actually got this hair from Posh Royalty on Instagram. I will leave her details in the description box. So if you want to see how I slayed this hair, guys, please keep watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you have, thank you, I love you and I appreciate that. Please also turn on your notification bell so you'll be getting updates on my new videos, and please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video as well with your friends. Let's get into the video. This week she was running a promo on Instagram during the lockdown, and I saw the hair. I decided to buy it. It was like I wanted to buy hair then from Niger Beauty Hair, but then I saw that one. I decided to go for it since it was on promo. Well, the thing is that, honestly speaking, this is value for my money. But then you guys can say it's Frontal, but then this wasn't what I ordered for. I'm gonna be inserting the picture somewhere here or here. So this is not actually what I ordered for. It's not what I requested for. Whereas the hair is still good. It's good hair and is nice for 17k, guys. So this is how the wig comes. It has 4 straps. This, and this. I am wearing the wig now, and I am actually adjusting it because the wig needs to be fit before you can put on glue or even cut the lace. So right now, I am putting the hair away from my face, and I'm using a bobby pin in order to pin it down because, guys, we don't want to cut the hair while cutting the lace, you know. So now I'm using my scissors to cut out the excess lace. I'm just cutting very close to the hair. Yes, I don't really like leaving some lace. So I am actually cutting not straight, but just following the wig hairline. I'm just gonna go ahead to tighten this. So right now this is much more tighter. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. I am cutting out the lace over the ear in order to reveal my ear. I am actually following my ear shape, and as well this will help the wig lay down properly. Guys, don't worry, you're actually going to cut out some hair in this process. It's fine. It's just a little piece of hair. So now I'm using my foundation and my shade to tint this lace in order to make it snatched. Once I lay it down, it will actually look like an actual skull. So I'm pulling up the hair in order to create room for where the glue would sit on. So I'll be using my Got2b glue. I am applying the gel on my skin. I'm doing one part first, after which I'll move to the other side. I'll be using my blow dryer in order to hasten up the process of drying the gel. Please guys, you don't need hot hair while doing this. You only need cold air while doing this. So I'll be blow drying this gel till it becomes tacky. Once it's tacky, I'll be laying down the lace using my comb in order to do it properly. After which I'll move over to the other part.
I am actually cutting out some baby hair now. Guys, I am so excited about this part. I am gonna snatch this hair. We're gonna slay it. You know what I mean? So I'll be using the same gel I used. That's my got-to-be glue gel, which I used to lay down the lace. I'll be using it to lay my edges. That's the baby hair. Guys, after which I'll be using this yellow scarf to tie things over in order to make it lay down properly.
Yay! So I'm just going to go ahead to stretch my hair. So I'm using my stretcher and my heat protector.
So I'm massaging the heat protector all over the hair. That way it's much easier to work with. All I need to do is just grab the parts of the hair I need to stretch and then stretch. You people can say I'm not taking the stretching thing seriously. I'm just doing it this way because I'm not even wearing it out. I mean, after this content, I'm probably yanking it off my head. So guys, after stretching the whole hair, I'll try to put on a little bob to make it bob a bit. So now I'm gonna go ahead to customize my own part. I don't really like the parts the wig came with. I mean, it's not cut and it's not straight either. It's just kind of slant, which I don't like. So I'm just gonna go ahead to customize my own part. I'll be using my comb now to part the hair the way I want. So once I've gotten the part in the position I want, I'll be going ahead now to pull some hair out of the way in order to make the parts wide enough for my own taste. I'm actually kind of tweezing the hair using my bare hands. So once I've gotten this the way I want, I'm going ahead now to lift the hair. I'm just lifting the hair. I just want it lifted a little bit. So I am using my stretcher to lift it. Once I've lifted this, I am going in with my comb and my brush in order to put it in place just the way I want. So you guys can basically see me struggling with the comb and the brush. So once I've gotten it the way I want, I'll be going ahead to apply the concealer on my customized part, in order to make it appear more natural. So guys, this is it. This is the wig. We just slid another wig. Okay, actually there's a first wig I'm doing on YouTube. So guys, I really enjoyed creating this. Please, if you've not subscribed, this is your cue to subscribe now. Thank you guys for watching. If you've made it this far, thank you so much. See you guys in my next one. Bye.